That time we go around the island, one of my partners played by macaroni and cheese and manico.
And manico.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my
A bread brick, eating how much lunch and meat salami and thing as Rasta. What are they? Hey, dog, we could buy a bag of that in bread nut. How much is bread nut?
$3, my love.
$3, that is good price, yeah. That is the local price, right?
Yeah.
Rasta's eating the bread there, yeah.
E quattro, boom. Hey, so you me now. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'll go right there for it.
So you me now.
That's it. Two men out I don't school tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll speak for them. That is my
The weight wasn't in vain. Some wide open to Hiroshima. Me could try and look for some waterfall. I've never been there, so. Have a kind of peanut butter is kind of this. Bread nut. Kind of sugar.
What? It's a peanut butter.
Over iron just.
Boy,
What we doing, boy?
I think we lost.
I think we lost. I think we lost.
Back way.
Leaving it up. Imagine how far we park and we have to
I
walk.
didn't get
We still walking on
On
the
the
road.
mid road.
Let me say, first footpath.
Make a Batman stereo. You could take it anytime, anywhere. What you wanna play?
small one?
Out there. What
Yeah,
you
the
wanna
next small
say?
one, and then we get
Simon
the big
said.
one.
She says she like this, she says she like that. She even said she like the ball best.
See, that is the waterfall.
Time to prepare. Put you up on your back.
We come from all pastures. Come Rodney Way. Come on. Go.
Put on the shit. That's what the pot
Let's continue. Maybe we see something better. Gotcha. How much hard back fellas they are able to carry heavy back? It's all kind of
That's not a waterfall. That's a running water.
That's a running water.
A few moments later.
Yeah, boy. Latin Falls.
Hey, so you me now. Yeah. 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 Boom. So you me now. Don't play with man. Man pull up like 10 bad man in the gun. With a drink in my hand. hand. Man pull up with 10 hot girl in the band. Don't play with man. Man pull up like 10 bad man in the band. With a drink in me hand. Hey, hey. Say carnival day. Say me there behind the truck. Girl sweet like a 10 lollipop. Bumper cocking up. Girl take it up high then drop me head bad, but I don't care. Me drinking it from them anyway. Girl with the bumper over there. Wind up your backside, put it on replay.
Let me see how's the trip.
Yeah, I thought it was, away, But you're not saying that, I guess sometimes you have to be positive before you're negative. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It was still good, man.
The Nikud fellas is negative. Man.
But that was a good little workout for you all.
Them Nikud
fat
fellas. Them Nikud fellas, boy. You can't trust them, boy.
That good. They
Nikud,
have too many
Tiroshi.
fat fellas around there.
Yeah.
The little workout was good.
The man not fit. That one Monday, every minute you have to
I
give
must say when it, I must say when it too shitty. I say what it was.
The man weak.
Mash him up,
Man, say you want to shitty.
Yeah. Me that my bad back. That's like, so easy. I should next say now run that.
Let's go, Ras. 1, 2, 3, go. If you want to clean that, that's too toxic.
No.